In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of Azure Compute Gallery Replicas within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. This is a new feature that we've added to the 4.5 version of the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise console to allow administrators to specify a location and number of replicas for the images added to the console. Azure Compute Gallery Replicas have a limitation of a maximum of 20 concurrent clone operations per replica. So if you are performing large scale-out activities, VM creation activities, you'll be limited to 20 concurrent provisioning activities per replica. Therefore, it's useful to be able to have additional replicas to increase this number. To configure this setting, simply add an Azure image from either a VM or from the library. And in the standard way, specify which image you would like to use, name, description, additional components you want to have configured for this machine. And additionally, flick the switch for geographic distribution to the Azure Compute Gallery. We can then select one of the compute galleries that we have in the environment, specify a number of regions. In this instance, my example shows North Central US, Australia East, and Brazil South, and then tick the Use Replication box. Specify a number of replicas. Azure supports up to 100 replicas, but in practice, there's not really any need to go above 50, and I would suggest in most environments 5 to 10 are going to meet your requirement. But base this on your scale out operations that you have configured for the environment. So this replica count is per region, so we would therefore have 10 in each of the regions specified. And once we have selected all other components that we want on this page, simply click OK, and your replication activities will begin. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again.